3D. I'm a 3D forensic analyst, which means that I use 3D technologies to document, analyze, and visualize crime scenes and accident scenes. There were different eras and different progressions of photogrammetry over the years. So from about 1850 till about 1900, we're talking about the plane table era of photogrammetry. Now, that particular era really was called that because you're working on a table and you're marking lines and you're taking measurements. It was a very manual process. So not a lot of not a lot of sort of advanced techniques or anything like that. But the fundamental principles of photogrammetry still apply today. And from about 1900 to 1960, during that period, we had 2 world wars. And despite the downside and the obvious downsides of war, it also did a lot to progress with photogrammetry. So if you want to know what's happening in your neighbor's backyard, a great way is to fly a plane and take photos, come back, and then process those photos and try to interpret them. So part of the process is interpreting the photos and then, of course, taking measurements. Now, during that time, the equipment that was used were very, very high-end and very precise cameras, but also some analog machinery, so stereo machines, and you needed a skilled operator to actually work these things. You were sort of, it was like a career. You really were dedicated to these different types of machines. So not all that user-friendly, but still able to get a lot of information. Now, fast forward in time and getting to about 1980, now we're starting to enter the digital era. And in the digital era, we've got digital cameras, and we're also talking about software because we've got computers at our disposal.